517s driver's side. 517s passenger side. Replacing dog bone, 216s, and a 21. What are we doing on this?
Loosen up this way. We're replacing the center bushing.
Holy smokes. What year is this thing?
We're 18.
Really?
What year is
I can't believe you have to do all this to get that out.
it? Yeah, I know. You're telling me.
How do you press it back in? The same way?
I'll show you how to. Oh my god, dude.
Center it up nice. What does this tool cost?
Oh, expensive. A lot. Couple of dollars.
Double. That's impressive. Cracked.
Incorrect, yeah.
What do you think cracks them?
Being in this big ass Atlas.
Yeah. Oh, they don't get bigger. They're the same size for a lot of.
Same size. They're the same ones I pressed into yours.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, if you guys are wondering, this is a VAS 6679-5. Here's the part numbers on this. And then we'll see a part number on that one. This is a VAS 6779-1. I thought for sure that was going to move. How else would you do this job?
Take it out, take the whole subframe out and press it.
And then press it in?
Yeah, you do that. Hardest / easiest way.
Installing the dog bone. What year was this?
18.
18 Atlas. 2 18s and a 21. Why'd you have to pull those bolts?
Just to get a little bit of room to get
A little bit of wiggle.